Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. If you are from Pakistan, India or Bangladesh and dreaming of studying in Sweden, then this video is specially for you. The purpose of this video is to guide you step by step about the autumn intake in Sweden for 2026, when to apply, what requirements you need and how the whole process flows from admission to visa. And don't worry, in the next video we will also talk about the fee structure and living costs. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Admissions for the autumn 2026 session will officially open on 15th October 2025 and the deadline to apply is 15th January 2026. That means you get exactly 3 months to prepare your documents and submit your application. My advice, don't wait till the last day, apply early to avoid unnecessary stress. Now what do you need? First, an English language test such as IELTS or TOEFL is required and without it your application will not be considered. Second, all your academic documents must be attested, meaning verified by the official boards and authorities in your home country. This is extremely important, otherwise your application may be rejected. Once you apply, you don't get instant results. The universities review all applications and by April 2026, you will receive your admission confirmation if you are selected. This waiting time can feel long, but remember, patience is the key. After admission, the next big step is your student visa. You'll apply for it in the following months and by August 2026, you can expect your visa confirmation. This is the most exciting moment because now your Sweden journey is almost real. Finally, pack your bags because in September 2026, your classes will begin officially in Sweden. A new country, new opportunities and new future awaits for you. So this was the complete timeline for Sweden's autumn intake 2026 from October admissions to September classes. Now you know exactly what to expect. In the next video, we will discuss tuition fees, scholarships and living costs in Sweden. So you don't miss that. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. And of course, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll answer them. Thank you very much. See you next time.